Hey, hi, my name is Ricardo Figueroa. Thank you for watching this video. And I'm going to try to make this video short as possible. The goal behind this video is going to show you how the process works when we use social media to find those refi buyers for your business. This is the most important step in your business is getting leads. Any business without leads, there's no business at all. So I'm going to show you a step by step of how at least the type of ads that I use using Facebook, and then take that lead, that possible buyer refi, to a landing page, and the questions that I use to pre-qualify them before all the information goes to you, and how I make that lead contact you instead of you calling them. So it's a very easy process. So just bear with me for a second. Now, when you're done watching this video, please use the go back to the link for the Calendly link, and schedule a call with me or my team to help you out set up your lead magnet, your marketing funnel, and do this all this process for you. Or if you feel comfortable, you could use this strategy and do it on your own. It's a simple process, like I said. But let's start it. Right now, you're looking at a Facebook post. This is just an example. We're not gonna use this, but just to give you an example, all depends of the area that we work with. So right now, we're telling the customer, hey, come back for a chat. We got the best mortgage deal. Could be refinance, it could be a buy. All depends of the area that you are working with. So basically, we're telling the people, hey, come click here and see and just complete your mortgage application today. It's only gonna take maybe 30 seconds, 60 seconds, whatever. We just wanna put a call to action so they could go to a landing page. And this is how once they click here, this is how the landing page or one of them that we use looks like. They're gonna fall into something like this. It's a different it's a whole out of Facebook. It's called a landing page. So we are telling them our home loan expert will help you find the best mortgage option. As you can see right here, they have two different options. They have a refi, they have a purchase, or they have a phone number. So they could call you. But before they call you, because some people prefer to call, we want to collect that information, their information for you. So this is how it works. Like I said before, they're going to fall in this page. Once they click refi or purchase, it's going to ask them about their email. Now at this point, you are getting their email, and then this is the different questions that we prefer to ask, or we could edit this to your needs. So we are pre-qualifying them. We are asking them, hey, this is a mortgage refi, is a for debt consolidation. What's the reason for your refi? What's the reason or for the purchase? It all depends of where they click in the beginning. So the next step is how much money do you want to borrow for a refi, how much your home is worth, uh, how would you rate your credit, am I eligible for interest in VA military loans. For those who are military, it's good to ask these questions even though um, you don't know if they're military or not, but there is a way to target just military people if you prefer to work with just VA loans. There's using Facebook, you have that option just to target specific people. But let's just keep using this example. And this is important. This is an important question. How do you hear about us? That way you track how your marketing is working, what is not working. And then your results are ready. But before they get the results out of all these questions, they will have to put their name, zip code, phone number, and then hit the get my results now. Once they click get my results now, it's going to take them to a thank you page. This thank you page will say one of our experienced team member will come contacting you shortly to discuss your mortgage results, to discuss your refi, to discuss your purchase. All depends. We could adjust this to any reason that you want or focus on. And then here we'll have a link to schedule a call with you. It's the same way, the same strategy that I'm using with you right now. After you watching this video, I have a link for you to schedule a call with me, so we could go over a few details about your strategy. All these leads will be unique to you. We don't sell these leads to anyone. We don't work with any loan officers that are, for example, in Tacoma, Washington. We don't work with any other agents that are in that area. So we just handpick people that are willing to work, set up their marketing, set up a budget for to get leads. That way you have full control of what you're doing. You don't have to rely on realtor to get the leads or do other crazy strategies that I've seen um, LOs doing just to get leads and customers. That way you have full control of all the leads. So for now, I think I'm going to back brief what I just discussed. We use social media or Google, depends of the goals that you have. In this example, we use Facebook. We create a post. We have a call to action. Complete your mortgage application today. We are going to take that lead to a landing page. Um, Ask them, they want to refi, they want to purchase, get their email, pre-qualify them with a series of questions, then get more information out of them, like full name, zip code, phone number, and I could add more information here if you want, but this works great so far. Then it's going to take them to a thank you page with your information, and we could add, and you should add, request this step to make people to schedule a call. Instead of you calling them, they will be calling you. And that way you will separate people that are really, really serious about buying or refi homes with you. This will sync to your calendar. So this is huge. So take advantage of this. Let's schedule a 15 consultation call. I will go over your details, get to know you a little bit, and hopefully get this going for you. My name is Ricardo Figueroa. Have a blessed day on purpose, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to go and schedule a call with me. Take care for now.